Hello. So today I will show how I create the host and to do a server in Google Chrome virtual machine. So let's go. Um, First you have to open this Google Cloud link I will send to you um, and follow the steps. It's very simple. I just follow all the steps. Here the objectives and the costs. So be cautious with the cost of Google Cloud. So enter this another link and enter in compute engine. There will be probably empty for you, but you just create a new instance, and this is just I deleting one that I did before. It will probably have something like activate a virtual machine or something like that, because how it costs money, you should allow that. Um, but I will talk with you about money on Google Cloud after that. It's very simple. Well, I created a new instance, and I will give a name to it. For me, on HAXBALL, I will use Madrid, but for Argentina, I think we have a Brazil São Paulo server. You have to use H2 standard 2. It's okay for your bot, for your host, your bot, but I will use this better um, bot because of the CPUI, and it's just that. I'll create the instance. Now I will wait it to create. I have to click the button crear or create for you. I don't know the language you will use. Well, I create here, and yes, continues the steps. You have to enable this. You have had done before probably, and now we will have to activate the SSH. I don't know English. SSH. I don't know, but yes, we have to wait it to start. Will take a bit, probably like 1-2 minutes. Okay, it's finished. So you click on SSH and wait. You have to authorize this. Connect your Google account. For me, it's already connected, so it's okay. And now you have this screen, and you have to paste everything they say here. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and it should be okay. When something is done, you have to do the next step. In this one, we install XFC. I don't know. So you use this command, copy and paste there. Well, now it's done. I copy and paste that code. Now copy and paste that second code. Okay, now that it's finished, I will paste the code of the second step. Okay, and now this the third. It will probably be an error for you. For me, it's always an error. Look, now I copy, paste, and it will be an error. Okay, you can skip this fourth code. I installed it. I don't know why, but I installed it. It's optional. You don't need that. It will take a lot of time, so you just skip it. Don't copy that code. Okay, and it's finished here. Now this 15 option it's good to you to install. So install this fifth code. Copy and paste, of course. I paste. Okay, installing. very fast. So now we will to the next step. It's a bit different now. Okay, now it's finished, and you have to follow these steps. You go to the VM instance, and you have to close the instance you have opened before, like the SSA, like I'm doing right now, I think. Yes, now I close it, and I open it again. I click on an SSA, I don't know. I open it, like always. Okay, now just leave it there. We'll follow the next steps. Click that link. It will open this screen. You have to click start on the right side of the screen. Next. And you have to click one of those links, Windows or Debian. For me, it's Windows. You have to no, you have to install some things. But when you're done, you have to continue, and reach this screen and copy the Debian Linux. And because this thing that we are installing, creating, is a Debian Linux virtual machine. So copy that code, paste, enter a pin. Can be anything in numbers, of course. Enter it again, and now it should be okay. And there is an error in the start, but it's common, it's normal. You have just to ignore it. And see there, host started successfully. So we should take the next step. You have to sign in with Google. There's things that you can do by yourself. So this next step is just the thing that we did before, like Singai and copy that Debian Linux code. We already did that. And in the ninth step, we see if everything okay. So you copy and paste that code just to see if it's everything okay. Here in my is okay. So let's go to the next step. Click on that link. You have your instance, then the same name here. Click on it. It will start connect. Put your pin there, the one that you created with 6 numbers. Remember. And now you have like another computer inside of your computer. Close that tab and enter on the web browser. Okay, I'm just opening like the normal Google Chrome. Don't sign it, or if you want, I don't know why, but do what you want. It's just a Google account, you can do whatever you want. For me, I just ignore everything and go directly to the objective. So I enter in the, no, not Discord, I enter in the headless host of HAXBALL. And I enter there, and like you probably do that on your own computer, but it's like this is another computer. I will just say that after we now have to do another thing. You can get your code. Now it's me getting the code of your bot. So I'll explain why we are opening the headless. So this that we are creating is basically another computer that will stay open forever, not forever now, until you want it to be opened. You will see on that instance of Google Cloud that you can stop and start the instance. So whenever you start the instance, you can run the second computer and let it open. So it's like if you stayed with the headless host open it for you in your computer, like open it. You can close your computer, you can do like can be without internet, but this second computer will be opening on the Google host. Okay, so um, this is me getting the code of the bot. So now this is important. This second computer, this virtual machine, not allowed you copy something on your computer and paste in the second computer. So you have to access this paste.fo on your normal computer, paste your code, and click paste button. This is me struggling to do some puzzles. I hate these puzzles. Yes, so now it's a link. Look at the URL, um, and you have to enter the same URL there. I just write it normally like with the keyboard because you can't copy and paste. This sucks, but this is how we did. Okay. I uncensored the code so you can see it. Okay. Do not copy my code, my wild code. So you have to allow the first time you have to allow the paste option on the console of headless host. Me, I didn't notice that, so I'm trying to copy again the same thing. But when I return to the screen of the headless host, I will see, look at this warning. You have to type allow pasting. Allow pasting. Okay, and press enter. It will be allowed now, and you can paste your normal code. So I try to paste it, refresh, paste it again a lot of times, and normally there is an error. I don't know why, but normally it's there's an error, and I try to change this thing right here and paste and refresh a lot of times until it's done. I really don't know why it's happened, but it's happened, and this is the way that I normally fix it. There is probably a better way and correct way, but okay. Now it's done. I'm not a robot. And there is the link, the room link. You can enter normally and everything is fine. Well, this is how you can close the tab, you can close everything. Not there, like let this screen specifically open, but you can close the SSH, the second computer, you can close it. But it's good to let this screen on the screen of the second computer. Okay, it's basically that. Thanks for watching. Bye.